The signs you pass every day might feel familiar, but do you really know what they mean? In this second round of our UK Road Sign Spotlight, we're diving into the everyday essentials, those signs you should be able to recognize at a glance. Whether you're learning for the first time or brushing up, this is your chance to lock them in. Ready to test your instincts? Keep count and drop your score in the comments below. Question 1. What type of road feature is ahead? A. Farm fence. B. Livestock crossing. C. Cattle grid. The answer is C. Cattle grid. Question 2. What type of vehicle restriction is this sign enforcing? A. No long vehicles. B. Truck length restriction. C. Vehicles exceeding length indicated prohibited. Metric. The answer is C. Vehicles exceeding length indicated prohibited. Metric. Question 3. What height restriction is being indicated? A. Low bridge. B. Vehicles exceeding height indicated prohibited. C. Overhead wires. The answer is B. Vehicles exceeding height indicated prohibited. Question 4. What animal hazard is indicated by this sign? A. Deer crossing. B. Farm animals. C. Wild animals. The answer is C. Wild animals. Question 5. What type of sign is this? A. Information sign. B. Temporary roadworks. C. Warning sign. The answer is C. Warning sign. Question 6. Which animals might be on or near the road? A. Wildfowl. B. Migratory birds. C. Small animal crossing. The answer is A. Wildfowl. Question 7. What restriction is this sign enforcing? A. No motor vehicles. B. All vehicles prohibited except pedal cycles being pushed by hand. C. Pedestrian zone only. The answer is B. All vehicles prohibited except pedal cycles being pushed by hand. Question 8. What gross weight restriction is being indicated? A. Vehicles exceeding a gross weight of 33 tons prohibited. B. Heavy goods vehicles restricted. C. No overweight vehicles. The answer is A. Vehicles exceeding a gross weight of 33 tons prohibited. Question 9. What vehicle type is prohibited here? A. No long vehicles. B. No heavy vehicles. C. Articulated vehicles prohibited. The answer is C. Articulated vehicles prohibited. Question 10. What animals are likely to be encountered on the road? A. Cow crossing. B. Livestock area. C. Cattle. The answer is C. Cattle. Question 11. What weight restriction applies here? A. No heavy trucks. B. Goods vehicles exceeding an unladen weight of 7.5 tons Prohibited. C. Freight limit. The answer is B. Goods vehicles exceeding an unladen weight of 7.5 tons. Prohibited. Question 12. Who is likely to be crossing the road? A. School zone. B. Children going to or from school. C. Pedestrians crossing. The answer is B. Children going to or from school. Question 13. What is prohibited ahead? A. Cars only zone. B. No entry for vehicles. C. Motor vehicles prohibited. The answer is C. Motor vehicles prohibited. Question 14. Which emergency service is nearby? A. Ambulance station ahead. B. Fire station ahead. C. Emergency access point. The answer is B. Fire station ahead. Question 15. What kind of pedestrian warning is this? A. Frail pedestrians likely to cross. B. Pedestrian crossing with island. C. Wheelchair users crossing. The answer is A. Frail pedestrians likely to cross. Question 16. Which vehicle types are prohibited here? A. Motor vehicles except solo motorcycles prohibited. B. Motorcycles only. C. Two-wheeled vehicles only. The answer is A. Motor vehicles except solo motorcycles prohibited. Question 17. What type of width restriction is enforced here? A. No wide loads. B. Vehicle width limit. C. Vehicles exceeding width indicated prohibited. The answer is C. Vehicles exceeding width indicated prohibited. Question 18. What vehicle type should be expected on the road? A. Tractors crossing. B. Slow-moving vehicles. C. Heavy vehicles ahead. The answer is B. Slow-moving vehicles. Question 19. What winter hazard is being warned about? A. Slippery road. B. Frost warning. C. Ice or snowdrifts. The answer is C. Ice or snowdrifts. Question 20. What animal migration is indicated here? A. Frog area. B. Migratory toad crossing. C. Wetland zone. The answer is B. Migratory toad crossing. Question 21. What type of horses is this warning about? A. Horse crossing. B. Riders ahead. C. Accompanied horses. The answer is C. Accompanied horses. Question 22. Which vehicle type is prohibited? A. Horse-drawn vehicles prohibited. B. No slow-moving vehicles. C. No horse riders. The answer is A. Horse-drawn vehicles prohibited. Question 23. What must drivers do at this sign? A. Stop sign ahead. B. Give way to traffic. C. One-way traffic priority. The answer is B. Give way to traffic. Question 24. What hazardous cargo is prohibited? A. Flammable goods prohibited. B. Vehicles carrying explosives, such as fireworks, prohibited. C. Chemicals banned route. The answer is B. Vehicles carrying explosives, such as fireworks, prohibited. Question 25. What vehicle type should drivers expect? A. Slow-moving military vehicles. B. Armored vehicles crossing. C. Military vehicles parking only. The answer is A. Slow-moving military vehicles. Question 26. What restriction is this sign showing? A. Pedestrians prohibited. B. No walking route. C. Cycle path only. The answer is A. Pedestrians prohibited. Question 27. What prohibition is ending here? A. End of prohibition of goods vehicles. B. End of weight restriction. C. Truck route begins. The answer is A. End of prohibition of goods vehicles. Question 28. What traffic movement is not allowed? A. No left turn. B. No U-turns for vehicular traffic. C. U-turn only for emergency vehicles. The answer is B. No U-turns for vehicular traffic. Question 29. What type of trailer is prohibited? A. No trailer allowed. B. Towed caravans prohibited. C. No articulated vehicles. The answer is B. Towed caravans prohibited. Question 30. What kind of pedestrian crossing is shown? A. School crossing. B. Pedestrian crossing. C. Zebra crossing. The answer is C. Zebra crossing. Question 31. What type of pedestrian warning is ahead? A. Pedestrian zone. B. Pedestrians crossing. C. Pedestrians ahead. The answer is C. Pedestrians ahead. Question 32. What type of vehicles should be expected here? A. Tractors crossing. B. Agricultural vehicles. C. Heavy equipment route. The answer is B. Agricultural vehicles. Question 33. Which vehicle type is restricted? A. No two-wheeled vehicles. B. No mopeds. C. Solo motorcycles prohibited. The answer is C. Solo motorcycles prohibited. Question 34. What type of animal-related restriction is this? A. No horse riders. B. Ridden or accompanied horses prohibited. C. No horse-drawn carriages. The answer is B. Ridden or accompanied horses prohibited. Question 35. What type of transportation does this sign warn about? A. Tramway. B. Tram crossing. C. Bus and tram lane. The answer is A. Tramway. Question 36. What vehicle type might be on the road? A. Equestrian crossing. B. Horse-drawn vehicles. C. Animal-drawn carriage. The answer is B. Horse-drawn vehicles. Question 37. What type of animal hazard is ahead? A. Sheep. B. Livestock area. C. Farm entrance. The answer is A. Sheep. Question 38. What type of animal hazard is ahead? A. Wild horses or ponies. B. Cattle grid. C. Wild animals. The answer is A. Wild horses or ponies. Question 39. What restriction is this sign enforcing? A. Vehicles exceeding length indicated prohibited. B. Trailer length prohibited. C. Freight train crossing. The answer is A. Vehicles exceeding length indicated prohibited. Question 40. What traffic rule must drivers follow? A. Yield to oncoming vehicles. B. One-lane priority route. C. Priority must be given to vehicles from the opposite direction. The answer is C. Priority must be given to vehicles from the opposite direction. That's it for part 2. Solid effort tackling the signs we all think we know. Every time you practice, you're not just prepping for the test, you're becoming a safer, more confident driver. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more sign challenges ahead. Until next time, stay sharp and drive smart.